Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is talk about Tangem Ring. So right here is a Tangem Ring. It is a crypto cold storage wallet. So I want to give you guys a 3-week update on that. So if you guys do get something out of this, smash the like button, subscribe. You guys know what to do. Comment your thoughts and opinions. And also, before we get started, to remind you, if you guys head over to the link tree, I will have it pinned in the comment section below. It's the Crypto Moose channel link tree. Guys, click on this link. You can use code Moose. It's already embedded for you. Save 10% off a Tangem wallet or Tangem Ring. So 2-card, 3-card set, $50. You can protect your crypto. And we're going to be talking about the Tangem Ring. So just wanted to mention that for you. Specifically today, we are November 12th of 2024. Bitcoin is approaching 89K USD. So I do want you to all protect your crypto. At the end of the day, that's the number one reason for this channel, is to get beginners into crypto and to teach you how to protect yourself. And, you know, especially going forward, if we see alts go to all-time highs, you're going to want to have crypto in a self-custody fashion. So what that means is that you own your keys. So typically when you interact with crypto, you may have something like a hot wallet. So even if we head over here, this is a NAMI. So this is a Cardano wallet that you can set up. It's a Chrome extension tool. And if somebody gets access to my computer and they find out the password, they can send all of my tokens from my crypto address to theirs. So your private keys, by owning that, that allows you to sign the transaction. So with a online exchange, with something even where you do have self-custody, you don't have a lot of protection because your tokens are online. So to get them offline, you want to get something like a hardware wallet. And this adds another layer of protection. So for example, I want to sign a transaction with my phone. What I have to do is physically tap the device. So with the wallet, I'm going to go to the Tangem app, and all I have to do is scan Tangem, and then boom, I can get in by putting in my password, etc. In the case of the Ring, I want to give you guys an update of what I think. So I've had the Tangem wallet for, I don't know, probably 5-6 months. This thing's awesome. I really like it. But now what you can do is pick up a Ring, and it comes with these as backup cards. And basically what I've noticed about the Ring is that the build quality is extraordinary. It's very, very, very good. So I have only owned a couple of other Rings. I told you guys, I mean, the Moose was going to get married to crypto. Dun, 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 dun. But in all seriousness, it's a very well-built product. You may think it's crazy to spend over $100 for a crypto wallet. But for example, this is a Trezor Safe 5, and this is the Ring. So the Safe 5, you need to plug this into a computer, similar to a Ledger. And I love both the Trezors and Ledger. But this is a Ledger Nano S Plus. I love this device. Very cool. You know, I'm pretty nerdy, so I like stuff like that. I also have the old one. I have like 18 different hardware wallets. So I've tried them all. The Ring, I knew I would like it, but not this much. I really, really like it. So I feel secure holding my Bitcoin on there, Solana, Cardano. It supports a wide range of different assets. So I guess if we go to Ring here, just to give you guys a little bit of what's up with the Ring, pre-ordering is now officially over, so you can just order it. But I like that Tangem as a company, they are all about security. So you have your, I forget the name of the security chip in there. I thought it was like EAL 6 Plus. Yeah. So you have the latest security. You have something that you can carry with you, and you can easily sign transactions. So to give you an idea, and we'll get into it a little bit more, ultimately, it's exceeded my expectations. I thought that this Ring would be good. you know, maybe decent, but it's very, very, very good. It's really good. Um, so much so that if I were to only get one crypto wallet, I'd probably just get this because you can use Wallet Connect. But again, if you're yield farming, maybe go with the Trezor Model T or Safe 5. So here I'm going to scan it just to give you guys an idea. And I find that if I scan it on the side of my phone, it works a lot better. And guys, comment down below if you've been using your Tangem. What are your thoughts? So now I'm in the wallet. I have a little bit of Bitcoin and I think Solana on here. So there I got a little bit of assets. So if I go to Solana, hit send, paste the address, all I have to do is hit next, sign the transaction that way. You do have to take the ring off, but it makes sense because if you're using your phone and you're accidentally, you know, triggering the transaction, you're not going to want that. But yeah, like this thing has been an absolute beauty. Just to give you guys an idea, 25-year warranty, smart backup. So when you buy the ring, I believe you get 2 cards for backup, right? Yeah, I think you get 2 cards for backup. I set one up, so you choose your side. Yeah, it comes with 2 rings for sure. So yeah, this thing's awesome, guys. Use code Moose. You're going to help support the channel. You're also going to save 10%. And yeah, that's all I want to get into. So ultimately, as Bitcoin hits all-time highs, which I think it's doing right now, which is great. So I like seeing that. Let's hope Kopi can get a little rip here. So we're at 88,748. Solana's picking back up again. Cardano's starting to pick up. It's looking good. But I don't care what wallet you guys pick up. Protect your crypto, right? And the best way you can do that is to learn how to use a hardware wallet. So guys, go to the channel, type in Tangem. I have tons of videos for you. I have a complete setup for the wallet. I also did a Tangem Ring setup video. I did a Tangem Ring unboxing somewhere. There you go, the first look. So I've gone through all this. And guys, with that being said, the moose is loose. Give me your thoughts and opinions. This has exceeded my expectations. And I will give you guys another update maybe after a year or 6 months. So let's see how it does. So far, the build quality is extraordinary. Cheers, everybody.